Today, Peppa and Granny Pig are cooking in the kitchen. What are they making today? We have our big silver bowl for the granola. First ingredient is oats. We are making a big batch, so Peppa added 12 cups of organic oats. Next, we added the seeds. We have sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and hemp seeds. And now we get to chop the nuts. It's so much fun chopping nuts. We are chopping cashews, almonds, peanuts, and pecans. Keep your fingers away from the blade. Next, we added some seasoning, a little bit of sea salt and a little bit of cinnamon. And now we add some organic avocado oil. And now to add a little bit of sweetener, honey. I love honey, and honey is very good for you too. Now it's time to mix. Now it's time to put it in the oven. Let an adult do that because an oven is hot. The kids are painting with water. Mess-free, all you need is water and a paintbrush. And now our granola is out of the oven, nice and roasted, and you can add some oat milk or some berries or chocolate chips. We added some coconut. What a great healthy breakfast.